Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a purchase ledger using an easy method. A purchase ledger is a crucial accounting record that tracks all credit purchases made by your business. It helps you monitor what you owe to suppliers, ensuring timely payments and accurate financial reporting. This ledger provides a clear overview of your expenditures, which is essential for managing cash flow effectively and maintaining good relationships with your vendors. We will cover the simple steps to set up and maintain this vital record. To create your purchase ledger, you will need several key columns. Start with the date of the transaction, followed by the supplier's name and the unique invoice number. Include separate columns for the net amount, any applicable tax, and the total amount due. Finally, add a column for the payment date or reference, which helps you track when each invoice has been paid. This structured approach ensures every detail is captured accurately. Making an entry is straightforward. Begin by receiving and thoroughly checking each supplier invoice against your purchase orders and delivery notes to confirm accuracy. Once verified, record all the necessary details into your purchase ledger, ensuring each piece of information, like the date, supplier, and amounts, is correctly placed in its respective column. This meticulous process helps prevent errors and maintains the integrity of your financial records. Maintaining an accurate purchase ledger offers significant benefits, including improved financial control and better budgeting capabilities. For best practices, always reconcile your ledger entries with supplier statements at least once a month to catch any discrepancies. Furthermore, keep all supporting documents, such as invoices and delivery notes, meticulously organized. This ensures easy access for reference, simplifies audits, and provides a clear financial trail for your business.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.